Hello everyone, I'm Anand Mittal, author of the book TMUA Simplified. I've started this series, Questions of the Day, and under this series, today we will be discussing two more questions which are based on second paper, Errors in Proof. Right. So let's start. So it's a claim that the equation sine 2 theta equal to cos theta is exactly two solutions in in the interval theta greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2 pi. Now, they're saying using the double angle formula, the equation may be written as 2 sine theta cos theta equal to cos theta. This is perfectly all right because I know the double angle formula for sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. If cos theta is 0, then theta is equal to pi by 2 and theta is equal to 2 pi by 3 pi by 2. This is also right. And in such each of these cases, sine 2 theta becomes plus minus 1. Now, this is something I think a little fishy because this does not uh, tell me anything about sine 2 theta being plus minus 1, right? Because so in that case, because we have, if I put theta is pi by 2, so it becomes sine pi, and sine pi is 0. Sine pi by 2 is 1, and, sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. But if I uh, if I put the value of theta as pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, so it's gonna give me value 0, right? So I think the error lies here. So I can, so if we have understanding of it, although if we continue, hence cos theta is not 0 and dividing both sides by 2 sine theta, uh, so 2 sine theta is equals to 1, sine theta is half, this. Therefore, exactly two solutions. No, this is not correct because the error lies in the second line itself because cos theta equal to 0 implies theta is pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, which is absolutely correct, but that does not imply sine 2 theta is plus minus 1. Now, the correct way of solving this is, just to give you a perspective, is we have the equation sine 2 theta equal to cos theta. So, the correct way or the correct solution will be, yes, 2 sine theta cos theta minus cos theta is equals to 0. So, if I take cos theta is common, so it gives me some minus 1. So, it will give me cos theta equals to 0 and sin theta equals to half. So, there will be four solutions because cos theta is 0 at pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, and sin theta is half at pi by 6 and pi minus pi by 6, which is 5 pi by 6. Right? So, this is the correct way of solving this. So, that's why the error lies in the second line itself. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next. Now, next question is basically about quadratic again. It says that this equation k minus 1 x square plus 2kx plus k plus 2 equals to 0 has real solutions if and only if k is less than equals to 2. So, where does the error lie? The equation is a quadratic in x. So, it has at least one real solution precisely when its discriminant is non-negative. Okay, fine enough. The discriminant is this, okay, which is absolutely right. They have taken it, b square minus 4ac. Expanding that, I get 8 minus 4k. So 8 minus 4k should be greater than equal to 0. That gives me k less than equals to 2. So where does the error lie? It seems very robust, proof. But the error lies in the first line itself, right? Because the first line does not address that it is not necessary this will be quadratic, because x, the coefficient of x square can be 0 since it's not given. So k minus 1 if it is 0, k minus 1 if it is 0, then k will be 1. And if k is 1, then if k is 1, then k less than equals to 2 cannot be the correct claim, right? So the error lies in the first line itself, because the first line should have addressed that the equation is a quadratic if k minus 1 is not 0. This is essential, right? So if we address this, if we will not address this, then saying that this is a quadratic is not a right thing to do. Okay. So that's all for the day. So error lies in the first line itself, right? So now for more such questions, you can buy my book TMUA Simplified. It is available on Blue Rose Publications and Amazon and Flipkart. I would want you to buy it from Blue Rose Publication because the process will be little fast, right? And apart from that, see the cost. Sorry, okay. Let me tell you, the cost of my book is 4,000 rupees, right? But the effectivity of that book is much higher than the cost because it includes all the video solutions and lectures, theory lectures as well. So the thing for which students usually pay more than 60, 70,000, I've put everything in 4,000, right? Okay, so look out for my more videos of the series Questions of the Day. Take care. Have a nice day.